Hey, what's up, guys? It's another edition of Lessons with Luke. And today I want to be talking about why, when you're young, you don't want to be playing defense all the time. I hear this all the time with a lot of young investors. They get into the markets and they start thinking, oh man, I'm going to make $1 billion and I got the best stock and all of that. But the moment that something bad starts to happen, they start to rethink why they got into the stock. They blow out of everything. And I'm telling you, that is not how you win the game of investing. Hey, I'm Luke Downey. Here's another edition of Lessons with Luke. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this content. So that is really what I want to talk about, is playing defense. If you are young, you really need to be focused on growing your wealth. You do not need to be focused on, trying to make the quick ins and outs when it comes to trading. And in fact, if you're young enough, you really should be trying to focus on like maybe 10, 15, 20 stocks, after you've, done your minimum where you've got your, mutual funds or ETFs, you've got like your base covered and you want to get into single stocks. You really need to start focusing on great companies that are dominating their space and holding for a very long time. Look, you're young, right? That's who I'm talking to. This is whenever you've got decades ahead of you. Don't be worrying and trading in and out and worrying about, should I be doing this? I'm worried about that. You need to be focused on getting yourself set up. And the way to do that is to be finding amazing companies. These are companies that don't mess around. These are companies that have great products, right? You know the ones that I'm talking about. Think about years ago with Apple, years ago with Amazon. We've all known that these were amazing companies, right? They were amazing companies years ago. Now you're starting to see Tesla start to become the next big thing, potentially big thing, as they start to make money. I've owned that thing for years. But the point of the matter is, man, if you're in your 20s, if you're in your 30s, right, and you're not retiring for, another decade or two, multiple decades, what are you playing defense all the time for? What are you bobbing and weaving? What are you worrying about? The game of investing is to find the best companies, stick with them. Yeah, they're going to have rough patches. So what? We all have rough patches. We all catch the flu. Sometimes your stock catches the flu. But you don't need to run and hide just because it sells off a little bit or because you heard some rumor, a news report, a downgrade, a semiconductor shortage. Like, how many people sold Apple because of the semiconductor? What are you talking about? It's a great company. What are you playing for? You worried about next quarter? Come on. Look, so often, what am I trying to say? Let's just get to the bottom line. Stop playing defense. Get offensive. Look, I know Grandpa used to say defense wins championships. That is not the case when it comes to investing. I'll see you next time.